Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's like, we just got all the new parts in for it. We got new spark plug, new air filter, new gas filter, carburetor, and runs pretty good, guys. For a pit bike, but like, should run pretty good. We just got all new parts for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Let me just go ahead and grab it. Alright, you guys won't be able to see the bike, but once I start it up, I'll grab the camera and move it over. I just got the new G7X. It's a pretty nice camera. That would happen. But anyways, right now, it's idling pretty high. Because like we just got like the new air filter and the new carburetor, and once you get all that new stuff, you have to retune it because this carburetor is a little more powerful than the stock one. But anyways, today we're not gonna build any jumps or anything. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your muffler of your dirt bike louder. So I just found what I'm gonna use for it. I just need to dump this out though, because this was my drink earlier. All you need is like a pop can, something like that, or something that is circular. It's like this, a pop can. Alright, so what you want to do is we're gonna go ahead and head inside. Alright guys, so we just got inside. Once you get your pop can, you're just gonna go ahead and get the can opener. Get your can opener. Put it right here where your top is. You want to go ahead and do this. And go ahead and cut all the way around until there's no more of the top. So it should look, stuff just poured out of it. It should look something like this. I'll clean that mess up here in a second. It should look something like that. Then you go ahead and do the same to the bottom. It's gonna work. Jeez. Alright, so if it don't work all the way, you could just push this out of your way. Sorry about that. You could just get like a spatula or something. Bend it back like that. So then you got a clear can. Well, like a Hallow can. So now you're just gonna go ahead, go outside, or wherever your dirt bike is. And then right here, you're just gonna go ahead and then put it right here on the end, just like that. Well, whatever end really don't matter. I'm gonna do this end because, actually wait, it does matter. You have to do the top part because the top part is the biggest. We need some like tape or something. I think we'll just use some double-sided tape for now because like, I mean, I'm not gonna use it, but Warning, this can cause your engine to blow up. So, just telling you guys that right now. So you just want to go ahead and get your, whatever you're going to use to hold it on. Stuff's hard to get off. Just go ahead and take the red piece off. You're just going to go ahead. Actually, we could probably. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but because I don't have the screen flipped up, you're just gonna go ahead and do this. Take it in half. Go ahead. Put it right here on the edge. Oh, you guys can even see it right there. And I'd prefer like duct tape or like any like really strong tape that's gonna be able to hold that on, because you're gonna be ripping around on your pit bike and you don't want it falling off in the middle while you're riding. I know you guys can't see right now. I got it. Alright, so you're just going to do that, and then I'm going to show you the next step after you go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and get a couple more pieces because I want it to be secured and held on good. Rip your red piece off. Alright. Now it should look a little bit like. Now it should look like this. I mean, it kind of does look a little rowdy, but you know, it's just gonna be for sound. So now you want to do is turn on your dirt bike. Go ahead and start it up. Then you'll get this new sound. That's just how you make your muffler, that's how you make your muffler, louder. Just a little extender makes it sound way better. I mean, it was just a short little YouTube video. It's my first YouTube video on this channel. I have a gaming channel, but that, like, I don't have access to that YouTube channel anymore because I forgot my password to it, so that kind of sucks. But, I mean, if you guys still want to go subscribe, it's The Res Runner Gamer. But I might post some gaming videos because I just got this new camera. And, like, the quality's pretty good, I think. And because it's pretty expensive. I mean, I didn't just go to the store and be like, alright, let me just pick out the best, the most expensivest camera. So, yeah, that's really it. That's pretty much it for today. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else. Trying to think. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and go inside. So really, you just need a pop can. Oh, just caught on my finger. The thing it didn't cut me. Be careful, guys, because it can really easily cut you. You just need this and a pair of scissors and whatever else you need to knock down that little part that won't go down. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.